Are you looking for a luxury house, but you don't want to live quite in the city of San Antonio? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to be checking out this Highland home out here in Castroville, Texas. So you'll want to stick around to see this beautiful model home. But first, if you haven't met me yet, my name is Brock.Bremmer. I'm a real estate agent right here in San Antonio, Texas, and I help folks just like you buy and sell homes all over San Antonio and the surrounding areas. So if you're looking to make a move in the next few days or maybe in the next few months, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I'd be more than happy to meet you in person and see how I can help you do just that. So with that out of the way, again, we are out here in a suburb of San Antonio. It is called Castroville, Texas. It is on the far west side of San Antonio, and this is a new community of Alsatian Oaks out here, and they've got a couple of builders out here, but Highland Homes is one of them. And this house you see here behind me, it is on their 60-foot lot, so this one has a little bit more elbow room. The homes are a little bit larger. Out here, they're starting at a pretty good price, starting at just about $500,000, and it goes all the way up into the $700,000. So there is a wide range of prices there and sizing options for the homes as well. But if you have any questions along the way, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I'd be more than happy to answer all of your questions and, more importantly, help you find one of these that you can call your own home there. So with that, let's get inside and let's go check out this amazing house. All right, well, thank you so much for sticking around and checking out this amazing house with me by Highland Homes. Again, this is located in the suburb of Castroville on the far west side of San Antonio. And if you're thinking, hey, Brock, this is exactly the house I've been looking for, I want more information, please do not hesitate then to give me a phone call or shoot me a text. All of my contact information is down below, and I would love to meet you in person and get you to see this house in person, more importantly, because it is absolutely stunning, and the camera can only do so much justice for it. So with that being said, if you are ready to move forward with this house or any other house you've seen out there on the internet, please do not hesitate, again, to get in contact with me. I would be more than happy to get you all of the information, incentives, pricing, availability, answer any questions, all of that fun stuff for you guys. I'm here to be of service for you and you know, just be a resource to help make sure that you and your family find the house that is perfect for you guys and fits within your budget and your means there. So, but with that being said, let's get to some of the details on this home here. So as far as some of the incentives, right now Highland Homes is offering up to $20,000 in closing cost assistance, and they're also offering a 1.0 buy down, meaning for the first year your interest rate is about 3.75%, and then for years 2 through 30 it jumps up to 4.75% and stays there for the rest of the life of the loan. Now both of those have, you know, some caveats there. They're only for a limited time and on certain homes, so it may not apply to every single home. And of course, as you may have seen in several of my other videos, those can and will change at any given time. So if you want, again, the latest information on incentives, the pricing and the availability, again, reach out to me. I'm here to help you and be of service to you guys. So please reach out. But with all that said, if you haven't already, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and like the video. And while you're there, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you'll be the first to see another home tour similar to this one somewhere in San Antonio. I'm also sharing all sorts of information about buying new construction homes all over San Antonio, as well as what it's like to live here in the great city. And with that, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for spending your time with me and watching this video. I can't wait to talk to you guys here soon, and I'll see you in the next video.